Hey Xiaomi users, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to transform your boring home screen setup into this premium liquid glass style layout and completely elevate your home screen experience. So if you are bored with your current home screen setup, then I highly recommend trying these setups on your Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco device. Friends, to achieve these home screen layouts, first download all the required themes from the pinned comment. Once you have installed the themes, the first thing we need to do is arrange the icons on the home screen. So let's do that. Now let's create an app folder and place the apps accordingly to match this premium setup. Perfect, our icons have been arranged successfully. Next, it's time to add the calendar widget. For that, head over to the widget section and search calendar. Then select this widget. Now it's time to apply the icon and home screen clock widget. To do that, simply open the theme store and apply this theme as a home screen and icons. Once that's done, all we need to do is apply the wallpaper. And there you go, our first home screen layout has been customized successfully. Now to get the second home screen layout, simply head back to the theme store and select the theme Crypto and apply it as a home screen. Then after applying the wallpaper, you will get the second home screen layout. So this was the complete transformation from a boring home screen to a premium liquid glass style setup. I hope you liked this transformation. If you did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing HyperOS customizations. See you in the next one. Till then, keep customizing.